Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Cooking Basics by Cookingbasics. In this video I'm just going to show you how to make plantain chips. What you do is just start by cutting up the plantain by first taking out the two heads and then put a mark or a line in the middle. This is simply to make sure that the skin becomes easy to peel. Okay, what it does is open up this skin. I've done a video on how to cut, fry plantain and clean plantain, like in the way I do it, so you can check that out in my videos. Okay, if you by the anyway like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is simple recipes as this video is entails, as well as my channel usually try to show you the simplest way to make normal food. Okay, so by breaking it down into videos as well. So yeah, I just did was take out the skin out of that. If you want to see the whole process, the video shows, but you also have a video that does that. And what I did here for making the chips is I cut the plantain a little bit to make it easier to will I say grate or slice, sorry, slice out. And I'm using this slicer. Okay, this was actually given to me by my mother, so this is something that I've been using for a long time. You can use this to slice anything, and plantain chips included. So what I did is that I finished slicing it in the way I like it, because the thinner it is, the easier it is to fry and the quicker it fries. But one thing you also need to bear in mind is that because it's flat and thin in this way, it can easily burn. The little bits that are left, I love having them. I usually have them as I'm frying them. So in a hot pan, I've put some, that is olive oil, not olive oil, that is vegetable oil I'm using there. It already heated up. What I'm just doing is simply putting it in and then frying it. It's the same thing that I did in previous video. Don't try and pile it up too much. Depending on how you like yours fried, I wanted it a bit brown, and hence I left it to fry a little bit more and to get the crunchy. If it's thin as this, you will get the crunchiness. If it's thick, you will not get that crunchiness. Okay, you can equally do this and do your slicing using a knife, but because this one makes it more even and it makes it easier, I used the slicer that you saw previously. So yeah, I think you'll like this, and this is how it came out, and hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, and it tasted nice. One thing, I didn't use salt, okay, in frying this, because I preferred not to use salt, and besides, plantain has its own taste. What you see here is the second batch. Okay, try not to clog up the pan so that you can fry evenly. So yeah, enjoy, and don't forget to once again like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching. Take care.